Are you someone who is young and struggling with your weight and you feel that your weight is holding you back to live the life which you deserve? Then you are not alone. There is a solution, Allurion Gastric Balloon. In as little as 4 months, you can lose 15 to 20 kgs of your weight and get ready for the next destination of your life. For many females, being obese can lower their self-esteem, especially when it comes to their marriage and relationship. But in a span of 3 to 4 months with the help of Allurion Gastric Balloon, you can gain that self-esteem and confidence by losing the excess weight. The Allurion Gastric Balloon is a non-surgical swallow capsule that is done as an OPD procedure, and you can very well go to the office the same day. It helps you in losing 15 to 20 kgs without any surgery, without anesthesia and without any endoscopy. How does it work? You swallow the capsule that contains the balloon, and as it goes inside the stomach, the capsule dissolves and the balloon opens up, and then a fluid is connected and the balloon is inflated. So this takes majority space in the stomach and you feel full sooner, and this leads to more natural weight loss. So how amazing is this OPD procedure, which doesn't require any endoscopy, any surgery or any anesthesia, and you go home the same day and lose 15 to 20 kgs of your weight, and along with that you reverse your diabetes, blood pressure and your infertility issues. So if you feel obesity is holding you back, now is the time to approach us and begin this journey of transformation with Allurion Gastric Balloon. DM us further details to begin this transformation today.